Kevin Hart reacting to Kai's stream sound effects.
Coming for T-Pain!
Everybody get... Oh, that's dope as
Yeah, bro.
You got a button? You got a
I got a whole bunch of buttons.
And they all... Come on.
Ready?
Oh, shit. Undertaker's here! Undertaker's here! Undertaker!
Oh, shit. Wait, hold on. This puts me in like different scenarios, like based off the mood.
So
like,
wait. Jason's here.
Jason's here. Yeah, Jason.
Oh my God! Jason's here!
I think it's Michael Myers.
This is great! That's every bad black actor in a horror movie when their face comes. I'm playing again. When the beat comes. Yeah, no. I don't think. Do you want to go